securely fastened for landing. Thank you. Have just landed at Marikina International Airport. The time now is 43 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon. We are proceeding towards the Manila Domestic Terminal for our property deportation. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are clearly off. For safety reasons, please do not remove your hand-carried baggage from its stowage until the aircraft comes to a full stop. Before deplaning, please check your seat pockets, your seating area, and the overhead bins for any hand-carried items you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Asilia and the entire Zest Air crew, thank you for making Zest Air a part of your day. It has been a pleasure serving you. We hope to see you again soon in one of our future flights. Have a pleasant stay here in Manila or wherever your final destination may be. Palalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Pinoy Aquino. Ang oras po ay 43 minuto makalipas ay 5 ng hapon. Tayo po ay patungo ng Manila Domestic Terminal para sa ating maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari po ninyong kunin ang inyong mga hand-carried baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap na nakapinto. Sa ngalan po ni Kapitan Nasilia at ng buong Jet Air Crew, nagagalak po kami nakapaglingkod sa inyo. Sana po ay nasiyahan kayo sa inyong lipad. Inaasahan po namin na magkikita po tayong muli. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. Gentlemen, the use of cellular phones inside the aircraft and in the wrong area is strictly prohibited. You may turn on your cell phones once you reach the terminal building. Mga binibigyan ng ating Ginoo ang paggamit po ng cellphone sa loob ng ating sasakyan at sa rampa ay mahigit na ipinagbabawal. Maaaring po ninyo itong magiging pagdating sa terminal building.